The Bugatti Bolide is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, pushing the boundaries of speed, power, and aerodynamics. Unveiled as an experimental track-focused hypercar, the Bolide redefines what's possible in automotive design. Powered by Bugatti's iconic 8.0-litre W16 engine, it produces a jaw-dropping 1,150 horsepower when running on racing fuel. This monstrous powerhouse allows the Bolide to achieve a top speed exceeding 310 mm/h, 500 km/h, making it one of the fastest cars ever created. Its sleek, futuristic design isn't just for show. Every curve and vent serves a purpose. With active aerodynamics, including a dramatic rear wing and air scoops that adapt to airflow. The Bolide achieves unparalleled downforce, ensuring stability at unimaginable speeds. Weighing only 1,240 kilograms, thanks to extensive use of lightweight materials like titanium and carbon fiber, the Bolide boasts an incredible power-to-weight ratio of 0.67 kW per horsepower. Inside, the focus is purely functional, stripping away luxury for raw performance. The driver-centric cockpit features minimalistic controls, Alcantara upholstery, and a perfect view of the track ahead. While not street legal, the Bolide represents Bugatti's relentless pursuit of perfection, a true celebration of innovation, precision, and adrenaline-pumping excitement. This script balances technical details with emotional appeal, ensuring listeners are captivated throughout your narration.